Mikey, Mikey, Mikey. Everyone just forgot about Extreme Local, didn't they? Everyone just forgot that you and I are just not the best of friends. That you and I have unfinished business. You see, last month you left me high and dry, Mikey, like a little bitch that you are. You cowered away like a little bitch. And you know something? I got injured. But I'm 100% now, and I'm ready to kick some ass, especially yours. So I got a little proposition for you, Mikey. July 28th, red, white, and bruised. Saturday in Los Alamitos. You versus Extreme Loco. 2 out of 3 falls. First fall, regular match. The next fall, hardcore, no holds barred. You want to name it? I don't care what it is. The third fall, last man standing. Let's make it happen, Mikey. Let's make history together. Let's end this once and for all. Because you and I know that you can't beat me. You and I know that Extreme Loco is better than you. And you and I know that you are just a little bitch. So come this Saturday, accept my challenge. Accept my challenge. Accept my challenge.